Just a few weeks ago, I finished a mini vertical garden for my friend Tanya. I wanted to get some feedback to see if the higro garden method would work for other people too. This was the first time someone else was going to try the system, so I was a bit unsure if everything was going to be okay. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Higro Garden channel, the home of vertical food gardening. As I have stated before, so far so good. According to the latest report, my friend Tanya is getting good results with her higro garden. Just to make sure the vertical garden was actually going to work, Tanya set up a comparison test. She planted the same type of seedlings she used in the vertical garden directly in the soil to see if she could see any difference. She sent me a picture of the veggie patch in the soil, and she told me that those vegetables are having a hard time as they have been attacked by possums and snails. I know what she means. I used to grow vegetables in the ground, and even though possums were not a problem in my neighborhood, snails and slugs were all over the place. Not only possums and snails were a problem, but Tanya found that the soil garden was a lot of effort to plant and also needed regular weeding. On the other hand, the higro garden didn't need much, except a good watering every few days. She even told me she went away for 2 weeks and the only thing she did was to leave a few upside-down bottles full of water in the fabric pots, and the plants were looking just fine when she got back home. Now that gives me an idea. I need to develop some type of automatic irrigation system so I don't have to worry about the garden if I need to go away for a while. I think something like that would work really well. Tanya told me that her son has been helping her to pick some spinach and bok choy this week, and that has been great for them. I am so glad to hear that the higro garden is working well for Tanya. I already have a number of ideas about how to improve the system even more, but as I'm not really a carpenter, it takes me a long time to bring my ideas into the real world. I have even joined a local woodworking club so I can build my prototypes a bit faster. I think that joining that club was a good idea. One day I will tell you more about that. For now, I can only say I am pleased with the feedback I got, and I am already working on another mini vertical garden for someone else to see how that goes.